So I am going to share you one of the future trending technology, and it is a most job opportunity technology, that is nothing but generative AI engineer. You may have doubt how to become a generative engineer. Can you tell me a complete roadmap to become a generative AI engineer? Because I am new to this technology, I don't have any knowledge about this. So to become a generative AI engineer is really exciting for everyone, for complete beginners as well as who already have some relevant IT experience. So I will plan to upload another video in our YouTube channel who have some relevant IT experience candidate. For them, what type of additional skills you have to learn to become a generative engineer. But in this video, I am going to plan to give the complete roadmap to become a generative AI engineer for complete beginners. The first one is you have to become a master in programming skills. As we know everyone, Python is the mostly used programming language for AI technologies, for artificial intelligence technologies. So you have to start to learn Python syntax, data types, strings, and collections concept. Also you have to learn some libraries like pandas for data manipulation, and NumPy for numerical calculation, and Cborn for data visualization. So these are some common Python libraries you should have knowledge or hands-on experience to become a generative AI engineer. NumPy, pandas, and Cborn. Second step is you have to learn some probability business statistics as well. You have to learn probability theory, sampling, and basic statistical methods are crucial for understanding model behavior. And the next step is you have to learn some basic concepts of AI and machine learning engineer. Understand machine learning basics like supervised learning. Here supervised learning means linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, and support vector machines like this. And unsupervised learning means clustering, dimensionality reduction techniques like PCA. And also you have to learn model evaluation. Understanding matrices like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, etc. is important to evaluate models. After learning all these concepts, you should go through some hands-on experience. You have to implement some mini projects by applying all these theoretical concepts. Then only you will gain some practical knowledge where to apply these supervised, unsupervised techniques, okay, in real-time environment. After learning ML concepts, then you have to learn deep learning fundamentals. So deep learning is most crucial to understand the basics of the neural networks. Neural networks means it's the basics of neurons, layers, activation functions, back propagation, and gradient descents, and also CNN and RNN as well. So after learning these fundamentals concepts or theoretical concepts, then try to apply all these concepts on real-time mini projects. Then only you will get some hands-on experience. Now this step is very important to become a generative engineer. So here is the crucial step, that is nothing but you have to understand the generative AI fundamentals concept. So you have to learn some generative models. Here GAN stands for generative adversarial networks. So that means you have to learn the architecture, loss functions, and the training challenge of GAN, which are widely used for generating realistic images. You have to understand the transformers and the large language models. Transformers are the basis of model like GPT, BERT, and ChatGPT. They are especially powerful for text generation and NLP tasks. Okay, and also you have to know the basic or fundamentals of diffusion models. These are the new types of generative models used to high quality image generation. For example, DALL-E, stable diffusion. After learning all these GAN models, then you have to do some mini projects to implement all these theoretical concepts and apply on real time. Then you will get some knowledge. You have to implement a transform based model for text completion or dialogues. After completion of this roadmap, then you have to build a mini project. You have to do some hands-on experience on mini project. Then you definitely gain hands-on experience on generative engineer. And after done some mini projects, couple of mini projects or real-time projects, then you have to specify in the GitHub link and how to specify those projects in the resume. Then you can apply on various job boards and you definitely get a job, guys. This is the roadmap for complete beginners who want to become a generative AI engineer. Okay, so if you really love this information, hit the like button, and if you have visited our YouTube channel for first time, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Okay, and don't forget to share this information, and don't forget to share this video on your social networking platform as well, because this video is very helpful who want to become a generative AI engineer as a fresher or even for experienced professionals. I am trying to upload in another video what are the additional skills required if you are already working on any specific skill set. That's all guys, man. So I will come back with one more useful content video. Till then, thank you very much.